king is standing up and clapping him. KKR को बोलो रिंकू सिंह को रिलीज कर देंगे आईपीएल ऑक्शन में और आरसीबी को बोलो उस पे बेट करके प्लीज उसको ले ले. Wow, what a match! Butler gets it. That's one run he's taken. They win. RR wins. Oh, what a victory! What an amazing match. The Butler did it. Yeah. टेबल टॉप साफ कर रही हूँ. आज टेबल टॉपर्स का मैच है ना. लेट्स गो वॉच. हेलो एंड वेलकम टू क्रिकेट फ्लेवर्स एवरीवन. आज है टेबल टॉपर्स का मैच यानी कि केकेआर एंड आरआर. Whoever wins will be at the top of the table. RR and KKR are at 1 and 2 respectively. So I'm sure it's going to be a very very interesting match and we shall watch it with a little bit of tadka, little bit of masala and बहुत सारा मजा. बने रहिए मेरे साथ throughout the video. We'll watch the entire match and have a lot of fun. Narayan, what he has been doing throughout this tournament, and he's hitting sixes even now right into the crowd. A 6 and a 4 consecutive one. So the last over, that was the last one of the power play, went for 16 runs and now KKR are at 56 for 1 at the end of 6 overs. Interesting contest between Ashwin and Narayan. He's taking stances, trying his luck a lot, getting almost caught out, finding the fielder but not really. Fielder not able to reach it. A couple of times that's happened. So Narayan gets his 50. Even the king is standing up and clapping him. Also at the halfway mark, 100 runs. Looks like it's a high scoring match again, 200 and above. Sunil Narayan is still going strong even though they lost 2 more wickets. It's not yet gone to the slog over. Still 2 more balls to go, 15.4 overs. But Narayan is just hitting and hitting. He's already on 90 runs. That means he's going to get a century very very soon. Oh, there he goes again. And this time it's a 6. Oh my god, he's on 96 now. Kind of gives you an idea that West Indies is going to be deadly in this World Cup. In their home ground, with the kind of batters they have. Oh, there he goes. He gets 100. The next ball is a 4 and there he is, 100. "49 ball 100. Oh my lord. This guy. Trying to look for a boundary on every delivery and that's why Russell is now out to Avesh Khan. Not his day again today. Now Rinku Singh is on the crease. Had almost forgotten about him. I don't know why. I'm sorry Rinku. I'm not that fond of KKR but that's the only guy that I really enjoy watching, Rinku Singh. Sunil Narayan is out. Trent Paul has bowled his stumps. Even after getting him out, he comes and congratulates him for the innings he played. The bowler does. What a magnificent innings he's played today. 195 for 5. Phenomenal Rinku. What a beautiful 6. Brings up the 200 for KKR. Okay, so the last over of the KKR innings, Rinku is going strong. It's 214 for 5 and remains to be seen how far it goes. Looks decently high enough. Venkatesh Iyer is not wasting any time. Okay. Finally, there's a catch taken. Venkatesh Iyer is gone. He tried to hit it. Couldn't get the distance. He got the height. केकेआर को बोलो रिंकू सिंह को रिलीज कर देंगे आईपीएल ऑक्शन में और आरसीबी को बोलो उस पे बेट करके प्लीज उसको ले ले. Beautiful 6. Right, 223 runs is what they have scored, KKR. That's the total they have put up and that's the total that Rajasthan Royals have to chase. I think it's a big total, very difficult to chase but might just be possible if Riyan Parag and others are in form. One more failure for Yashasvi Jaiswal. I'm scared about the T20 World Cup. He's not at all firing this IPL season at all. Playing some good shots, 4s and 6s, 19 runs in 9 balls, but then he gets out. He's never been able to convert these small totals into big ones this season. That's the problem. Harshit strikes in his very first over. On the very second ball takes a wicket. Samson bhi nahi chala. 47 for 2 ho gaya. Samson gone for 12 from 8 balls. End of power play total is 76 for 2. 50 partnership for Parag and Butler and it's not even 8 overs yet that they're closing in on 100 also. They're not just fighting, they're actually giving a run for their money to KKR. Just after the 50 partnership, Parag brings one up high in the air and gives a catch to Russell. He's out. Ryan Parag goes for 34 runs in 14 balls. Harshit is the bowler, Russell the catcher, 97 for 3 RR. Dhruv Churel out. Review लिया था, मुझे पता ही नहीं चला है. Next thing I know, he's out. Butler still there, still hitting, and Mitchell Stark is being punished by Butler. 109 for 4 at the end of 10 overs. Still anyone's game. But the past few overs, it's been more KKRs. Ooh, Ashwin gone. Getting more difficult. 121 for 5. 2-2. Hetmeyer out. Silly shot. I don't know what was the need to play that. And now Chakravarti is on hat-trick. Hetmeyer gone for a duck on the first ball. And RR are in deep trouble. T for Josh Butler. He's playing a heroic knock. Okay, 162 for 6 at the start of the slog overs. Just as the slog overs start, the hitting has started also. 2 sixes and 1 4 in the first 3 balls. Well, did not last long. He just lost his wicket. Rowan Powell gone, and now RR are 7 down. Butler soon running out of partners. It's Trent Bolt who's run out now. Josh Butler, you beauty. He has single-handedly taken RR to 215 for 8. It's the last over, and KKR have been given a slow over penalty also, which means only 4 fielders outside the circle. 9 runs, 6 balls, anyone's game now. I believe it's Chakravarti who's going to come into ball the last over, and Butler is on 98 also. And he's on strike. Can he do it? Wow, what a match. First ball, 600 for Josh Butler. Only 3 runs now required of the 5 balls in the over. KKR tried, but there is a reason why RR is at the top of the table, and they truly deserve to be there. Some amazing batting by the man, and what a match it has turned out to be. 4 overs ago, I completely believed RR had lost it, but no, not because Josh Butler had other plans, and they were to ruin KKR's. Can you imagine a final between these two teams? Wouldn't that be really exciting? Something similar? Now after that amazing 6 of the first ball, there have been 3 dot balls. Now it's 2 balls, 3 runs. This match is just hanging at the cliff. Josh Butler is so tired. He's just bending down on his knees. It looks like he's exhausted. But he's there. It's the last ball and they need 1 run. Could it be a super over? All the beaters are inside the 30-yard circle trying to stop that single. Oh my God, this is so exciting. And Butler gets it. That's 1 run he's taken. They win. RR wins. Oh, what a victory. What an amazing match. What an amazing team RR is. Truly fantastic. And yes, KKR fans and their team supporters are crying right now. But what a match. They've taken victory out of the jaws of defeat. That's what it is. The Butler did it. That's what they say. Oh my God. That's really funny. The Butler did it. Yes, Butler did it. क्या कमाल player है Josh Butler. What an amazing player. क्या match बना दिया. Single-handedly जिता दिया. Definitely player of the match है. Unbelievable. मजा आ गया. Heartbreaking for KKR, but highest run chase ever in the history of IPL. That's right. That's what it was today. Josh Butler ने highest IPL winning run chase करके दिखाई है. That's all for me today for this exciting match. I hope you had a great time. Please subscribe to my channel. Please like my video, and I shall see you in the next one. Bye bye.